Hi guys, so this is Grace again and welcome back again to my channel. So we are on the way to Bacolod City. It's 6:30 in the morning here, and
it's actually 7:03.
Oh, I'm still dreaming. So Virgil is here at the back. Virgil, say hello guys. Virgil, my family is there at the back, and Virgil is excited to go to Bacolod. And Pia and Virgil is enjoying, excited. They enjoy their playing in that kids playground in SM. So as you can see, it's been cloudy today, this morning. So hopefully guys that the electricity will become back soon, because we have burned out this morning. Then our solar is not been charged because there's no sunshine, and
I can't put it in automatic mode.
yeah, we cannot put it in automatic mode right now. So hopefully it will come back soon, because the workers needs to use the drill. I don't understand why they always there's always no electricity.
Because they don't use their profits.
Even there's no typhoon here.
They don't use their profits to upgrade their system.
So we're almost in the highway. We're going to
Go.
yeah, we're gonna stop first on the church there in San Carlos. We're gonna light some candle for Virgil. Lazada. Lazada is disturbing. So traffic this morning. We're gonna stop first in San Carlos. People is selling some fish.
We are gonna get lost in the GPS na po.
Virgil said we're gonna lose again. We're gonna lose again.
I'll go in GPS.
Traffic, I mean busy this morning. People going to work.
Mommy, that playground, ma'am, no second floor, man po, ma'am, no?
Yeah. Hi guys, so we stop here in this Lion's Head. That's the Lion's Head. So this is one of the tourist spot here in Don Salvador, Benedicto. We're gonna rest for a few minutes. We're gonna cool down our van, and we're gonna just have some picture here. It's really a beautiful place, overlooking from the mountains. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at the river there on the bottom, guys. It's really big. Beautiful mountain here in Don Salvador, Benedicto. Here is nice. We have lots of pine trees also. Look at this here. So, it's my family there. Hayag imong kamera. It's really nice in here. Langga, Virgil, can you tell Daddy that Mommy gonna borrow his phone? Because I like the camera of my husband's phone. I'm gonna steal his phone. Pia, inagot si Tito Pete ni mo na Ate Grace wants to borrow your phone. Ina ba? Ina ba? Ina palihog. Ito ba? Virgil is over there. So we bought some snacks on that store over there. So we're on the road again, guys. We're on the way now to SM Bacolod, and as you can see, the view is very nice. We take a lots of picture there. What is that?
Okay. Use your transmission for a break.
Okay. Mountain view. It's really nice. So it takes us maybe 1.5 hours, right? Going there from here to Bacolod.
Yeah.
We're gonna do some GPS because I don't know the exact way. There's a new place there, baby. New restaurant open, newly open restaurant. So we are here in SM Bacolod right now. We are here in the parking lot.
Oh!
And thank God that we arrived safe here. I'm gonna bring my tripod, baby. Pia, dalaan ni Pia, palihog. Sorry ba, dalaring tripod, palihog.
Who's a tripod?
Ano ba? Wait, Daddy. I'm gonna go out now.
Mahulog ni Tita Miri.
Ha? Naalayin ba? Wala, lumboy la. Wow, nasguard ang lumboy la.
Wow, na sa guard.
We're here outside in SM right now.
Ang guard na lang magtabako. Ganita, uy. Sulod, bugnam na sa ayo. Ito sulod na may earphone. Kaya maglantaw to sa mga bag ni mo, ma. Kahala kang tiyasad. Wala, tao na.
I'm gonna go inside. We are here inside an SM. Virtual gonna go to the kids playground. Yaki mix.
Special birthday treat too.
Looks like it's looks like a Korean restaurant.
Shiny.
Sushi, smoke place.
You want some sushi, Roberto?
Chinese lagi na.
So we're on the way to the kids zone upstairs. We're in don't pull my bag. Don't pull my bag. Virgil is a little bit scared on this escalator. Asa mo itong dulaanan? Asa mo itong dulaanan nila? Nga matagbot ang pangitang daddy ni mo ni Ron. Ato to sa pikas nga side. We're looking for the kids zone.
Hindi pa ni maupot din mo.
Halaon sa muma na may kuan dire.
Sana giasa siya kung ikit ko na. No, si Daddy.
Yeah, daddy. My husband is there. He's looking for a restaurant. I don't know where one is. Nangita siya kuan ba sa dapita.
Salamat pa.
Bo, pangitaan siya. Amot asa man to dapita. Sakit akong tiin.
No.
So we are already here in the kids zone in SM. Virgil is excited about it. Here, Virgil, are you excited? Virgil, look! Yeah.
Wala, dili na ko, ma'am. Dili ra to sa...
So Virgil is inside now here in kids zone. He put his shoes in the locker and also Pia is there inside and this is the kids zone. For them. Remove imong slippers. He loves that trampoline over there. Malingaw ron siya diri. Ito. He's there inside already. No. Te palayo kog picture dai Minga. They're in the hospital station now. Sinasaag to si Papa. Ay ko to siya sa South Wing. There's lots of kids here inside. And they have also some slides. Just enjoying this. Nasa dos pikas. I'm gonna check here in the other side. They are on this side here. They are here. He's enjoying himself and also Pia. La. Virgil have some donuts, some creamy cream donuts. Let's go.
What you got?
Look, 1 dozen for 589. What's the name? Crispy Creamy.
Those are good.
Naunsa man?
Krispy Kreme is good, if not better than Dunkin' Donut.
This is good. This is more delicious.
I've decided I want to have me a burger with jalapeno peppers.
Okay. So my husband will gonna try this Zark's burgers. So you have money, right?
Let me check, make sure.
Because I'm gonna go to the other side.
Yeah,
Huh?
I have that. It'll break.
I prefer to eat the Filipino foods, guys, instead of the Vikings because my family loves Filipino foods. Then my husband will gonna eat here Zark's burgers because he wants to try the burger here with jalapeno, right?
Hurry.
Wait, sagot because Nana is over there in the store.
Mommy, where's Nanay?
Over there, there.
They're doing.
Wait, I'm gonna ask Daddy. I think you need to go there to order. Huh? I don't know. I think you need to go there to the counter. I'm not sure because kuha mong burger, kuha yung burger. Ato pikas. So we are here at Hokad restaurant. It's a Filipino restaurant and we ordered some shrimp soup and some beef soup, fish and some baked scallop. Oh. And we are here. We have my family is here and Virgil is eating that donut. That crispy creamy donut is very delicious, guys. Really delicious. It's worth it for the price. We're waiting for our orders right now. Who's that on the mirror? We're waiting for our foods. We are hungry because it's 12:20 in the afternoon here, and my husband eating some burger there in the other side. We're gonna try that burger. So we have this baked talaba and some sizzling bangus, sizzling fish. And we're still waiting for our orders, and we have a lot of rice, guys. Rice is life here in the Philippines. And we have some iced tea. We're still waiting for our soup, beef soup. So we have this shrimp sinigang. And this is our foods, guys. So we're eating lunch because we're hungry. We are all hungry. So let's eat, guys. Maybe. Okay, that's okay. So we have this beef soup here. We have some beef soup. You want this one, Virgil? Beef?
I want some shrimp.
Shrimp? So we're on the way home now. We're just get out from the SM and we're on the way home. As you can see, the traffic is so very bad here in Bacolod.
Yeah, busted rooted me out.
Yeah, some of the driver no respect, right?
Yeah, I was up beside of him and he just kept edging over on me.
Yeah, just need to be careful because you're in the city.
I thought I was in the jungle.
We're not in the jungle. Careful, there's vehicle here beside me.
He cut it. Where's the truck?
Yeah, they're just pushing their... Look at that.
Look at this.
There's the one beside you. Gosh. Need to be careful because side by side. Bumper to bumper. This the way it is when you live in the city. You need to deal with this traffic.
I'm glad I only have to do this occasionally.
Yeah.
Just give me gray hair.
Yeah, it stress you out all the time.
Yeah.
And they have some traffic light here. So Virgil is enjoying his birthday. He have some he go to that Fun Nation also, and they've been having a good time there. So it's a good thing that we not eat during Vikings because my family will not be enjoy there.
That's fine with me.
The one we got is
I'm
Filipino
totally
style. Yeah, you try also that burger that my husband, careful daddy, cause red. That burger that he ordered is very good, right?
Oh yeah, best burger I've ever had in the Philippines.
Yeah, he told me it's the best burger that he have in the Philippines.
Probably the best burger I ever had in my
You
life.
go there in front, but they like in there. Yeah. They have traffic light here, guys. You need to be careful with this because we've been caught one time in Cebu, right? And they charge us very big money.
Yeah, we can go out and eat.
It's 3,500 pesos. If we not pay that, they take out the license of my husband. So that time also is a Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
We're riding in a motorbike that time. Then, you know, it's not our fault that time, right? Because we are already in the center. Then the light is just turned orange that time.
I was following a truck.
Yeah, and we're already in the center that time.
Yeah. He seen I was a foreigner.
Yeah.
He didn't stop nobody else. There's a couple other people behind me.
Lila kraba po ato, abi na ko
You know what? You remember that? There was other traffic behind me.
Yeah.
They had to run that light too.
So, you know, when you are in the Philippines, especially if you are a foreigner, you need to be careful.
Come here, give me some money.
Yeah, because some of them will take advantage with you.
Here, look at this. Can't go for it.
Look at
the
them.
red light.
Even if you're in front of them and they just want to push you. Just no respect in the traffic here.
Counterflow
Yeah,
motorcycle.
counterflow.
You guys really want to drive here?
Scary. It's, you know, if you've not been here in the city all the time, it's really scared you.
I remember living in the city, how stressful it was to drive.
Yeah. Yeah, oh my gosh. Oh, not look. Oh my god. What? That motorbike there, he just not look. He want. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. They don't care about their life.
No. Start out and go on.
OMG. I can't believe that.
If you're going to drive here, do not wear white underwear.
You're not, because yeah, you're not supposed to wear white underwear, guys. If you drive here in the Philippines, if you're first time, you're gonna
Think about black or brown.
you're gonna have brown spot on your white underwear. That's so
You
funny.
will stain them.
Yeah.
I got rid of all my white underwear the first weekend here.
It's just so shocking, but so I think that's all for today, guys. I'm gonna help my husband watch the road. So thank you so much again for watching. So I'll see you again on my next video. So God bless us all, guys.